Manchester Victoria opened 1844. With an annual passenger usage of 8.2 million, it is Manchester's third busiest station. After several years of negotiation between the Manchester and Leeds Railway and the Liverpool and Manchester Railway, land was finally purchased at Hunt's Bank, close to Manchester Cathedral, and work began in 1842. The station was named Victoria in 1843. Its long single-storey building was designed by George Stephenson and completed by John Brogden. It was approached by a wooden footbridge over the River Irk until the river was culverted and the station built upon it. When the Manchester and Liverpool Railway amalgamated with other railways to create the Lancashire and Yorkshire Railway in 1847, their headquarters were located at Victoria. Because the station handled large amounts of parcels and newspaper traffic, an overhead parcel carrier system was constructed in 1895. It consisted of an electrical powered trolley suspended from an overhead track operated by an airborne attendant. A large basket could be raised and lowered from the trolley to distribute parcels and newspapers across the station. This system operated until 1940. Victoria reached its maximum extent of 17 platforms in 1904, with the extensions designed by William Dawes. In 1909, the 640 metre long cast iron train sheds were built, hidden behind a facade. From the 16th of April 1929, Victoria and Exchange stations were linked by a westward extension of Platform 11 over the Irwell Bridge. Known as Platform 11 Middle, which joined Platform 3 at Exchange Station, it created the longest platform in Europe at 2,238 feet, or 682 metres. Crossovers enabled it to accommodate 3 trains arriving and departing independently. Exchange Station closed in 1969 and its services were transferred to Victoria. During the Manchester Blitz in World War II, the station was hit several times. On the 23rd of December 1940, the parcels office and a large part of the roof over platforms 12 to 16 were destroyed. The parcels office was rebuilt, but the damaged sections of the roof over the platforms was taken down and never replaced. In the 1980s, British Rail adopted a policy of concentrating many of Victoria's services into Manchester Piccadilly. Victoria was reduced to 6 platforms, and the unused sections of the former Great Station were sold for redevelopment. Between 1992 and 1994, the Manchester Arena was built over the northern part of the station. In 2009, Victoria was identified as the worst regional interchange station due to its dilapidated appearance and incredibly dark environment. The then Transport Secretary, Lord Adonis, announced that a £5 million grant would be given to the Better Stations project. This money never materialised due to budget cuts in June 2010. Replacement funding was arranged by Network Rail, and they have been trying to improve Manchester Victoria ever since. The station will become the hub for TransPennine Express and Northern Connect services by the end of 2020. Passenger numbers are expected to increase to up to 12 million as a result.